Guys, namin karon sa closing ceremony ng CI Integrated School. As usual, yung mga business-minded kaayo daare. Saging. I'm sure this is ice candy, ice water. Go, go.
Hi, vlogger! Welcome to my...
Welcome to my channel, Ana. Vlogging.
Welcome to my channel, vlogger!
Ice water, oy. Huwag niyo smallin ice water dito. Mineral yan.
Gani ang tingin mo.
Kani, mineral ning ice water. Ganito ka-rich ang taga CI. Dire. Kani. Kari, ya, saging din. And popcorn. Hi, Day. Kani, mangga. Kani, ano si tawag? Gulaman with buko. Gulaman with buko. Can I open it? Wow, sarap. Okay. Dire, mga barbecue, ulo, isaw, and this one, what do you call this? At
Lumpia.
lumpia. Lumpia ang ano?
Chicken.
Chicken lumpia. Dito, paypay. Paypay is life. Ito, paypay is life. Of course, may chichirya. That is the unhealthy side. And the Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Nandito. Hi, boys! And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bell button so you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Here. Yes. Welcome to my channel. Gusto ko to. This is my favorite.